Today, let's learn 100 of the most common nouns in British English. Part A. Home and living. House. They live in a beautiful house near the river. Room. The living room is bright and cozy. Kitchen. The kitchen is modern and easy to clean. Bathroom. The bathroom is clean and spacious. Window. She opened the window to let in fresh air. Door. Please open the door quietly. Chair. This is a comfortable chair. Table. This table is made of wood. Bed. I lay down on the bed to rest. Lamp. I turned on the lamp to read my book. Food and drink. Lunch. I bring my own lunch every day. Dinner. I prepare dinner myself every evening. Water. He drank a glass of water. Tea. Would you like a cup of tea? Milk. Milk is rich in protein. Juice. She prefers orange juice in the morning. Bread. She bought a loaf of bread from the bakery. Egg. He made scrambled eggs for breakfast. Rice. We served the curry with rice. Cheese. I bought some cheese for the sandwiches. Personal items. Phone. I left my phone on the desk. Bag. Her bag was full of documents. Key. He couldn't find his house key. Book. I started a new book last night. Pen. Please use a black pen to fill out the form. Wallet. I put all my money in my wallet. Watch. She checked her watch for the time. Umbrella. Don't forget your umbrella, it might rain. Glasses. He wore glasses to read the newspaper. Shoes. His shoes were covered in mud. Time and days. Day. It's a sunny day. Perfect for a walk. Night. It's a quiet night with no noise outside. Morning. It's a good morning to start something new. Evening. It's a beautiful evening for a walk. Week. There are 7 days in a week. Month. There are 12 months in a year. Year. There are 365 days in a year. Hour. It took us an hour to get home. Minute. She arrived 1 minute late. Holiday. We're planning a holiday to Hawaii. Work and money. Job. He started a new job last week. Office. I go to the office 3 days a week. Boss. Our boss is very supportive. Team. I enjoy working with my team. Salary. She receives her salary at the end of the month. Meeting. There's a team meeting at 2 o'clock. Project. We are working on a big project. Computer. I do all my document work on the computer. Document. I printed the document this morning. Email. He replied to my email quickly. Great job. You've completed Part A with 50 useful nouns across 5 categories. Let's move on to Part B. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.